my dear students, very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only. Today we are going to start a chapter that is from the book Snapshot, and we are going to start the first chapter of the book Snapshot, and the name of the chapter is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, and it is written by William Saroyan. What's the name of the writer? William Saroyan. And one more special thing about this chapter, that this chapter is going to be very useful in your daily life also. Why? You can just learn the lesson of honesty from this chapter. And about the author, we are just going to discuss about the author first, that is he was born in 1908 and was died in 1981, and he was an American novelist, playwright and short story writer. Do you know what is the meaning of playwright? Playwright means who writes the plays also. He was awarded the Pulitzer Prize for Drama in 1940, and in 1943 won the Academy Award for the Best Story for the film adaptation of his novel The Human Comedy. What was the name of the film? The Human Comedy. And he was just mean to say he just won the award for this chapter, for this film. Okay, now the chapter we are going to discuss, I want to tell you something very briefly about this chapter. The Summer of Beautiful White Horse was published within the collection My Name is Aram 1940. It tells the two stories about Aram and Murad. What are the two characters? Aram and Murad. And in the next also I will just tell you also in the next page about these characters and what happens. And this story is narrated by 9-year-old Aram, who is an Aram Garoglian. What is the name? Aram Garoglian. And one morning Aram is awakened by his 13-year-old cousin Murad. कि मुराद जो है उसे उठाता है, who is thought to be demented by everyone except Aram. Mean to say कि only Aram and Murad is having very good relationship. Aram is astonished. Astonished means surprised. Aram is astonished to see Murad riding a beautiful white horse. कि what he is doing? Riding a beautiful, very beautiful white horse. He is riding on that. Aram was invited to ride on the horse by Murad. And Aram invited to whom? Murad. And here is, so sorry, that Aram was invited to ride on the horse by Murad. Who is her? Murad is just calling to Aram, he come with me. Both the boys are happy beyond words. Beyond words means the happiness, when the happiness can't be explained in the words. It was nothing short of a dream fulfilled. And what it was like? It was like a dream of theirs was fulfilled. A very beautiful and very entertaining story it is. Okay. And here is, firstly, we will discuss about the theme of this chapter. Okay, many of William's stories are about his childhood experience among the Armenian American fruit growers and deal with their sense of being uprooted. And The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse deals with two Armenian boys who stray away from the values of trust and honesty for which their tribe is famous. Okay, what happened with the student? Actually, here are the two boys, that is of the which caste? That is of the Armenian caste. And here is, that is about the honesty, how these boys are safe from the trust and honesty of their tribe. And the elder one, who is the elder one? Murad, steals a horse with a view of enjoying horse riding. And the younger one, the narrator, does not want the horse to be returned before he has learned to ride. What they decide, two boys are there, what they decide ki before we will learn how to ride, after that only we will return the horse. However, when they are found red-handed means range haath jab pakde jate hain by the owner of a horse, they decide to return it to him. Okay, they decided कि we are just going to decide stealily lest the fair name of their tribe is blemished. अगर वो डायरेक्ट देंगे तो उनका बदनाम हो जाएगा, उनकी जाति का नाम. As long as the horse was with Murad, जब तक horse मुराद के पास था, he took very good care of it. उसने बहुत अच्छी केयर की. Thus the story deals with the theme of adventure and thrill of youth and strong tribe character. कि ऐसी ट्राइब के लोग हैं ये दोनों, जो ट्राइब बहुत ही फेमस है. इट ऑल्सो एम्फेसिस द नीड ऑफ अवॉइडिंग स्टीरियोटाइप्स इन वंस जजमेंट ऑफ अदर्स. कि कैसे जब दो लोग जजमेंट करते हैं तो कैसे वो जजमेंट जो है कैसे डिसाइड होती है ना किसी के अकॉर्डिंग, कि कैसे ये जजमेंट है कैसे नहीं है, मतलब वो इनका कि वो ये कह रहा है मुझे ये करना चाहिए. नाउ वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द टू कैरेक्टर्स. वन इज देयर मुराद. Murad is a 13-year-old Armenian boy, and he belongs to a family which is very poor but is re-honored for its honesty and uprightness. कि इन्होंने अपने अधिकारों से ज़्यादा कभी किसी से नहीं हासिल किया है, उसके लिए बहुत फेमस थी. Everyone in the family except Aram thinks that Murad is a natural inheritor of the crazy streak in the family. ये पागल है. Murad is very gusty boy, ये बिल्कुल पागल है, and knows how to handle people as well as animals. I have a way with horses. I have a way with farmers. He always recite these things. His statements above show his level of confidence, and as the story proceeds, we find all his claims are true. Even all the claims were true made by Murad. He is very intelligent boy. Which type of boy Murad is? Very intelligent boy. And is an expert in handling all sorts of people and situation. He is very much habitual to handle the situation and people. He has a soft corner for his cousin Aram. Everyone is having the soft corner in the heart. Doesn't matter for which character, we are also having. And like the same, Murad was also having the soft corner for the Aram. He confides in him and begin the elder one. He also patronizes him. Even उसे जो है रास्ता भी दिखाता है कि हमें कैसे करना है कैसे नहीं करना. Here is the another character, that is Uncle Khosrow. And as the story writer says, every family has a crazy streak. एक पागल करेक्टर तो हर परिवार में होता है. Among the elders of Garoglian family, Uncle Khosrow is the one who is afflicted with the crazy streak, जो बड़ा पागल था. According to the narrator, he is an enormous man. Enormous means विशाल आदमी, with a powerful head of black hair. सिर था बड़ा बड़ा काले काले बालों जैसा. And the largest moustache in valley, और बड़ी बड़ी मूछे. A man so furious in temper, गुस्से में तो बिल्कुल पागल लगता था. So irritable, महापागल. So impatient that he stopped anyone from talking by roaring. चिल्लाकर किसी को भी चुप करा देता था. Enough, it is no harm, I say, and pay no attention to it. Which are his favorite mannerism, जो उसके favorite थे कि ठीक है इसका कुछ नहीं है, and pay no attention to it. Okay, these were the common things that we have discussed, and I'll share this PDF also. Please dear student, write these important things in your notebooks and this glossary item also. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay home and stay healthy.